Hey guys, so quick disclaimer, I just wanted to come in and say that my room is not like one of those, very like decorated freshman rooms you see on YouTube. It's really basic, simple, and that's for one of two reasons. One, because it's harder for me to decorate my room considering the fact that I am coming from Boston and I'm going to school in ATL. It's just a way more work for me to bring things down, purchase items, and do all that. And secondly, I just feel like after a while, like just sharing the room, I just feel like, I don't know, like I just feel like I didn't really want to go all out for the fact that I am sharing a room. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm on the road to 9K, so please subscribe. I love y'all so much. Please help me get to 9K. And yeah, let's get into the tour. So outside of the door, you basically just have my room number and these two cute little name tags they have on our door. This one says my name and what part of Massachusetts I'm from. And then when you open it, you enter the room. When you first enter the room, to the left of you, you have the thermostat. This is to adjust the temperature in the room. I'm really glad we have a thermostat, and it actually generates some good airflow. So right now it's on 70 degrees. And then to the right of you is my mirror. Nothing extravagant, just a simple mirror I got from Target. I look crazy, guys, ignore that. And then we have the light switches. So there's two light switches we have. This one turns on the light for the sink, and this one turns on the light for the whole room. Once you move over, we get to my side of the room. So first thing I'm gonna show y'all, you firstly have the sink. It's just a simple sink. On this corner, I just have my basic necessities, which is my hand soap, my paper towel. This is to wash any like little dishes I had. And in the back, I have some mouthwash, the sink, and then the mirror, and then the light is right up there. And then when you come over to this side, there's this little, I don't know what this is, but it's like a, somewhere to hold things. I didn't get it. My roommate actually got it. She has a yellow side. She has a yellow one right here. And basically, I just keep my toothbrush. I have my toothbrush and my toothpaste. And this one, I just keep my sponge for if I have to wash anything. And on the third one is just a thermostat because COVID is still out here, guys. COVID is most definitely still out here. And I'm not playing with nobody and their mamas. So I have that there just in case I need to check anybody's temperature. And then below the sink, I have my 3 container drawer. So the first drawer, guys, it's gonna be a mess, but I didn't plan to clean this because we gotta keep it realistic, like actually realistic. So in the first drawer, I have all my hair stuff. So I have my gel, my combs, my brushes, my pomades, my wig stuff, like all the hair things you could think of, elastics, all that. I keep that all in this first one. And then in the second drawer, I keep all my skin stuff, and it's kind of like, yeah, like mainly my skin stuff. So I have my deodorant. This is for my piercings, my lotion, my face wash. And then I have some teeth things like my toothbrushes and stuff. But mainly everything in here is skin related. Like, yeah. And then this last one, I just have my utilities. I don't know if that's what they call it that. But I just have my flat iron, my blow dryer, my curling iron, and my hot comb. And then I have this random thing here. But that's only here because I didn't know where else to put it. So, yeah. That's my side of the sink. And then once you come over here, you get to my closet. So, starting from the floor, you have all my shoes. I really didn't want to have my shoes laid out like this because I just feel like it's just gonna get dirty. I feel like it looks more of a clumped mess, but I didn't really have anything else to put it on. So, like, I just have them all out right here. Over here, I have a closet organizer I got from Target. Basically, in here I keep all my just throw on t-shirts. So like I just have a bunch of throw on shirts that I'd wear to go to bed, or just something that I don't want to, like when I don't want to really care about my outfit, these are the shirts I come to. And then in this one I have all my bags with me. This is a this is the most recent, oh my god, this is the most recent wig I've had in. I didn't know where else to put it, I just threw it here. And then below here just like more sweatpants and stuff. So behind that I have my laundry bag. I felt like it would be best for me to keep my laundry bag in the hidden view, because who wants to see someone's dirty clothes? Not me. Over here is just my hanged up clothes. I don't really have much hanged up because I try not to bring a lot. I feel like I brought a lot, but like in reality I really didn't, now that I think about it. But I just have like all my sweaters here, and then on this side I just keep all my dressy clothes here, just in case I need to go out, get cute or whatnot. And then I just have these pack of hangers just sitting here because I don't need to open it. I thought I would need to, but I don't. So I just have that hanger right there. And then on top, I have my 4 containers. I did a black and beige theme. So in this one, I'm not going to get up there and show y'all because it would require me using a step stool. But in this one, I keep my laundry detergent and just things so I can wash my clothes. In this container I have my what is he saying? I have my iron to iron my clothes and just other things. Like I have like a mini fan, I have a little lamp as you can see, and yeah, and that one. And then this one I keep my girl stuff. So I have my pads and basically things from my menstrual cycle. And then this last one I keep all my cleaning supplies. So things to clean the sink, things to clean the counters, like whatever you want to call it, it's in there. So I have all my cleaning supplies, my wipes, and that in there. I'm gonna give y'all a quick overview. And also these containers are from Target. So once you're done with the sink and the closet, we start to get over to my actual personal space. So first I have this hook here, and I just keep my bath towel and my robe here. Guys, I really love this robe. This robe is so soft. I got it off of Amazon. It has a hood and everything. I just love it. First, you get to my desk area. Over here, we just have a random container, and most of the things are in here are health related. So I have some NyQuil. I have hand sanitizer. I have a random edge brush. It's not supposed to be there. I have eyelashes. I have eyelashes in there because I really didn't know where else to put it, so I just put it here. I have scissors, just like basic things. Some thumbtacks on the bottom, and a sharpener, and whatever you want to call it. And then over here, I have my mirror with my fingerprints on it. I'm just making myself look bad in this video. But over here, I have these 2 containers I got from Walmart. This one, I just keep some like light makeup stuff. This edge brush is still not supposed to be there. My edge brush is supposed to be in here. I just have my makeup stuff, so my foundation, concealer, eyebrow stuff. I don't really use makeup, but I have that there just in case I ever want to just have fun and do something with my face. And I have some lip stuff in here, and I also have these pair of glasses. I don't plan to wear them, but I just have them. Here I have this other container, and it actually turns, which I am obsessed with. But basically in here, just a bunch of random stuff. Like there's no theme with this one. I just have some Vaseline and chapstick in here, a sponge, eyelashes in here. This is for my camera. And then I have my jewelry, like my small pieces of jewelry here, and some face lotion. So nothing too serious, no specific theme or whatnot. Once you come over here, we just have some little desk decorations. So I just have this little plant I got from Walmart, and this little picture that says love grow here. And once you move it here, we have my lamp. I'm gonna turn it off so you guys can see it. But basically I just have this yellow lamp the theme in our room is yellow and gray, so I just wanted to add some yellow onto my stuff so that it could look more coordinated. And that's really the desk, and I have my bag here. And then once we go up, we have this little, I don't know what this is. This is supposed to be like a little desk caddy I got with my sheets. I didn't know where else to put it, so I hung it up on the wall and decided to keep some just paper I may need if I'm like doing something, and just like little extra things. Like I have my AirPod case in here, a journal, nothing too serious, nothing too savvy. And then once we go over here and we look up, I just have this sign that says good vibes. I got it from Target. I really love it. I feel like without it, my room would have been a little bit dry because I don't have that much to begin with. And then over here, I have this Tyler the Creator poster, which I was ripped off on because I thought it was going to be bigger. And it's definitely smaller, which is whatever. I'm going to go and try to find some more posters in the future. But I just decided to leave that here. And I just think it just looks totally cute together. Once we go back down under my desk, I just have my suitcases. I just have one of my suitcases right here. I have my comforter, like the bag it came in, so just down here. I have lamps. I have some light bulbs right here. And then I have my shower caddy right there. So when I need to go take a shower, I just grab it and go. Here's my desk area. So now we move on to the actual bed. Nothing much to show here, but like I said, me and my roommate are doing yellow and gray, so I just have white, gray, and yellow sheets. This came from OCM. I don't recommend them. They suck at shipping. I got my stuff like literally over a month later, so I don't recommend them. This blanket is from Target. It's really comfortable. These sheets, these ones right here, are also from OCM. And then I just have 3 pillows because this is a twin size bed, so I don't feel like I need that much pillows. I literally brought like so many more pillows and it just wasn't gonna fit on the bed. So I just have 3 pillows and my throw pillow right here. This throw pillow is from Target. Next to my bed, I have my calendar. So initially my calendar was not supposed to be this close to my bed. It should have been a little bit higher, but I did decide to move my bed down this way. It was originally down on that wall, so that's why the calendar is really low, because my desk was over here. But this is the calendar. It's really empty right now because I really use my planner more than this, but it's just a simple calendar I got from Five Below. And then over here we just have a frame that says blessed. Below my bed we get into my storage. So and this one, I keep all my snacks in here, well, most of my snacks in here. So in this, I just have some drinks, some ramen noodles, and my fruit snacks in here. Nothing too serious, just like some simple snacks. Here, I have some more. So I have mainly my chips, little bites, ramen noodles, you know, things you need to live on campus because the food isn't always going to be that good. Over here is where I keep my clothes, so I don't really think I need to go into details. And then over here is the last piece of storage I have. On the top, I have my underwears, my undergarment. And then on the bottom, I have some more snacks hidden in the back and some paper plates. And then here, I just have this random basket full of random stuff. Like, this is literally my random basket. So I just have some school stuff, some, I don't know, like just a bunch of random stuff in here that I just threw in here that doesn't have a specific home. The thing I like about these drawers is that each one of them has a pull-out. So I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. So they come out like this. So if you did want to connect one of these to, like, say your desk, you'll be able to like have something to pull out, so it could be an extension to your desk. Or if you have it like more so out instead of like under your bed, you just have a desk area, which is nice and I really think is unique. Once you come over here, I just have some more storage. I keep all my, I have my suitcases. Y'all can't see it, but everything back there is just like more of like just basic things like paper towels. I have a bunch of water stored back there, my suitcases and all that. And then here I just have some more parts of my bed sheets because I did overbuy a lot of bed sheets. And then on the bottom here we just have my carpet. I love this carpet. Oh my god, this carpet is from Walmart. It's so soft. I just feel like it does what it's supposed to do. I don't walk on it with shoes because I don't want to dirty it. And I also have this stool here because my bed is elevated. I don't think it's that tall compared to some others, but it is tall enough to the point where I have to jump on, and I don't feel like jumping on all the time. So I use this stool. And I also totally forgot about my little trash can next to my desk. Just a random trash can, nothing too savvy about it. And then we get into the last part of my side of the room is my food, because food is important. So I just have this micro fridge. I rented it out from my school. On top of it I just have two mugs, so if I want to make tea, hot chocolate, yeah. And then I have this cup and this other cup that I just put together that the school gave me. And then in the back I just have some more things. So I have like all my utilities, so my I just have all my utensils. I said utensils, so like my plastic forks, spoons, and knives. I prefer plastic over like actual silverware because I just feel like it's easy to maintain. I have some Febreze here, so if the room is stinking. I have a bowl and a plate I got from Target. I have some more containers, so if I ever want to take food to go, I could put it in there. It came with a set that I got from Five Below, which is, I think, was a good deal because I wasn't expecting that much to be in it. And then over here I just have some lemonade and my syrup, so if I want to make pancakes. My favorite part of the room is the window because it is so big and I feel like it just acquires a lot of light when there is light outside, which there is not. The view of the freshman quad, which is basically all the freshman dorms, and yeah, I just really like it. When it's sunny out, the sun definitely shines in, and I just love having a bright room to wake up to. So yeah, guys.